Are you in the market for a new Pontoon but don't want to spend $150,000? Hi, I'm Ryan and I'm here at the 2026 Harris model launch. Behind me is the all-new Sunliner. Has a lot of the same great features of that really expensive boat at a lot more of affordable price point. I'm going to go show you my 5 favorite features. Let's go check it out. So before we hop aboard the all-new Sunliner, I do want to point out my favorite feature on all Harris models, which is the RPM chassis. This is their proprietary design. It features some pretty great features that make it very fuel efficient. Rides super flat, has a 27-inch center log, so it actually banks in the turns like a V-hull, and that center log actually allows you to hold a little bit higher horsepower as well. My second favorite feature on the all-new Sunliner is the smooth panel fencing. It looks great out on the water. It actually resembles the Harris Crown, which is the pinnacle of their line. All of the supports are actually set inside, so they're still structurally sound, which you come to expect out of a boat of this high build quality. Looks great, super functional. It is one of the things that actually makes this boat very striking when it's out on the water. Coming in at number 3 is the completely redesigned bow of this boat. It has a beautiful new texture and quilting pattern into it, as well as some striking colors you can customize to make your own. They actually reshaped the bow of this to where you can actually sit facing backwards. Very unique and the only one in the pontoon industry doing that. And with that, you actually get some great storage on each side for a trash can and for an anchor. Great storage underneath and comes standard with flip down armrest. Coming in at number 4 is a completely redesigned helm station. Harris did a great job making this look like an automotive style dash. Has some other great features to it, gives you a little bit more leg room. They actually press the dash sprout a little lower into the seat to give you better visibility. You can option your Sunliner with either a Simrad screen or gauges, depending on what you're comfortable with. Easy to read and reach rocker switches, and this completely redesigned helm chair that actually lets you fine tune your forward and back motion. My 5th and final favorite feature in the all-new Sunliner is completely redesigned sunbed in the aft of the boat. Stay tuned to the end of the video to check out a cool bonus feature that's exclusive to Harris. The new sunbed from Harris has some great ergonomics to it. Notice the backrest is actually leaned back a little bit. Features the all-new quilting pattern. If you do have a boat full of people, it actually has an aft seat that actually faces backwards. So you can actually have 6 people riding on the boat on those busy holiday weekends. It also allows you to lounge backwards. So when you are at the sandbar watching people ride tubes or skis, it's a great way to do that. And the cool thing they did when they did make it 3 wide, it actually carried the legacy of the Solstice into this boat. It actually gives you the option for forward-facing sunbed seating. So great options, super ergonomical, multiple configurations. It is a great way to hold a lot of people or just lounge and relax. So I know I told you I only had 5 features, but it's hard to leave out this bonus. And besides, who really needs a changing room anyway? Harris completely redesigned their port bow couch to give you a lot of great storage. Up top, they actually give you a glove box to put your phone and keys out of the way. In the middle, they actually give you a cool spot to put some towels to keep them dry, but easy access. And on the bottom, you actually have 2 choices. You can either get it as a storage drawer, or how I prefer it, this 38 can cooler. Easy access out of the way. It actually tucks out of the shade, so it'll keep ice really well. And the last thing Harris did is they realized that nobody knows where to put their shoes on a boat. So they actually gave us a recessed cubby to put our shoes. It's a great design, and I can't wait for people to get to see this in person. Make sure you check it out when you go to your local Harris dealer. Thank you for letting me walk you through my 5 favorite features of the completely redesigned 2026 Harris Sunliner. If you thought it looked amazing in video, wait till you see one in person. To do that, go to harrisboats.com, put in your zip code, and go see one at your local dealer.